Hello everyone! Today we're going to open up some Easter Hubba Bubba bubble tape. We've got these two special edition bubble tapes to open up, so let's go ahead and get started. Alright, so here we've got this beautiful pink one. Let's see, can we see it? Is it focused? Yeah. So it's Hubba Bubba bubble tape, and you can see it's in a special pink packaging. And there's an Easter egg. And look at that beautiful grass for a beautiful spring day. And so, on the back we got the good information and stuff. So this is awesome original. So shall we open it up? Let's see. I'm going to open it up. Take off the packaging. Okay. Let's see, I kind of want to keep this part, but I don't think I can. Okay. Alright, so here we go. And here it is. Let's get rid of some of this stuff, shall we? Okay, and this is our Hubba Bubba bubble tape. Oh, my nails look awful. Don't look at them too hard. See? What is bubble tape? Well, if you've been watching my channel, Yay Fun Times, for a while, you know what it is. It's a special gum that comes in a tape, so it kind of looks like, tape you'd wrap a Christmas gift in, or maybe an Easter gift. Who knows? Oh, it's so good. I'm gonna have a piece. Let's see, this part here broke off. I'm chewing it. Yep. It's really good. So, let's move on to the other one. So here it is, the yellow container. Is it focused? Is it focused? Here we go. So it's Hubba Bubba bubble tape. And we see this beautiful egg in the grass. It's ready for Easter. And the same stuff on the back here. And this too is awesome original. Super duper. Okay. Da-ba-da. Okie dokie, let's open it up, and look, we have another roll of bubble tape. So it's the same color because it's the same flavor, this beautiful pink. This pink is very spring-like too, isn't it? Alright guys, so that's it. So we've got our 2 rolls of bubble tape, and maybe I'll share this with my friends, or maybe I'll have it all to myself. Okay, see you later on Yay Fun Times. And you have yourself a fun time this Easter, and go to the store and get yourself one of these special edition Hubba Bubba bubble tapes. Okay, bye guys.